We are Clean Solar, a leading company in the solar panel cleaning business in South Korea. Clean Solar is also producing the nation's best solar panel cleaning business and its own Clean Wave solar panel cleaning equipment. In this session, we will introduce Clean Wave NB series solar panel cleaning equipment that allows high-pressure cleaning and brushing at the same time with Clean Solar's patented technology. First of all, Clean Wave products have been designated as items supplied to the South Korean government in recognition of their technology. It is also exported to many countries, including India. The NB series product, which I introduced today, has a uniform cleaning effect as it can be washed and brushed at the same time, even when solar panels are installed at a long distance. All parts, including carbon poles, are differentiated from general low-cost products by applying highly corrosion-resistant materials. Also, as the solar panel structurally accumulates foreign substances at the bottom, it becomes difficult to remove them with a brush. This problem is that the spray nozzle mounted in front of the cleaning module cleans up even fine dust between the panels. In particular, rooftop power plants need high-pressure water supply equipment to supply water to the top. Clean Wave equipment is designed to be compatible with all existing high-pressure cleaning equipment and can also be used for hundreds of meters of large-scale solar power plant work. When replacing nozzles, long-distance solvents can be sprayed and snow removal tools can be installed, further increasing the value of equipment use. So far, we've introduced the solar panel cleaning equipment. If you have any questions about the product, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.